In 1859, a solar storm so powerful struck Earth, it set telegraph offices on fire. Today, a storm like that could collapse power grids, cripple satellites, and send humanity back to the Dark Ages. This isn't science fiction, it's science fact. I've spent 30 years studying the sun's fury, and what's coming could change everything. The sun isn't just a ball of light, it's a roiling nuclear reactor, capable of unleashing explosions 10 billion times stronger than an atomic bomb. These explosions, called coronal mass ejections, CMEs, hurl charged particles at 4 million miles per hour toward Earth. And when they hit, chaos follows. Our planet's magnetic field usually shields us. But when a CME is strong enough, it punches through, creating geomagnetic storms that fry technology and threaten life itself. In 1859, British astronomer Richard Carrington witnessed a solar flare so bright, it rivaled the sun itself. 17 hours later, Earth was hit by the largest geomagnetic storm ever recorded. Telegraph systems failed globally. Sparks flew from machines. Auroras lit the skies as far south as Cuba. If that happened today? A 2013 Lloyd's of London study estimated global damages at $2.6 trillion. The U.S. National Academy of Sciences warns recovery could take 4 to 10 years. Here's how it works. A CME's charged particles overload power grids, inducing currents strong enough to melt transformers. In 1989, a solar storm 1/10 the power of Carrington blacked out Quebec in 90 seconds, leaving 6 million without power. Satellites aren't safe either. In 2022, SpaceX lost 40 Starlink satellites to a minor solar storm. Each one? A $250,000 fireball. Radiation from these storms also endangers astronauts. A 2024 NASA study found astronauts on the Moon or Mars could absorb lethal doses in hours without shielding. The U.S. power grid is a 50-year-old tinderbox. The North American Electric Reliability Corporation warns 66% of transformers are at risk. Replace one? It takes 12 to 24 months. Lose hundreds? Entire regions go dark for years. Satellites? We have over 5,000 in orbit. A 2023 report by the Secure World Foundation predicts a Carrington-level storm could disable 70% of them, killing GPS, banking, and communications. The White House's 2022 National Space Weather Strategy admits we're unprepared. Only 12% of U.S. power companies have storm-hardened equipment. But there's hope. NASA's Parker Solar Probe is diving closer to the sun than any spacecraft, predicting eruptions before they happen. The Discover satellite gives us a 15 to 60-minute warning, enough to shut down grids and protect satellites. Utilities are fighting back. ERCOT in Texas now uses AI to reroute power during storms. Norway's Sun Shield project buries power lines in bedrock. But progress is slow, and the clock is ticking. The question isn't if another Carrington event will happen, it's when. NASA says there's a 12% chance in the next decade. Solar storms are inevitable. But catastrophe isn't. We need global cooperation, funding, and urgency. Because the next storm isn't just a threat, it's a test of whether humanity can survive its own technological brilliance. If you want to stay ahead of the storm, subscribe. Hit the bell. Because in the battle between humanity and the sun, knowledge is our only shield.